Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem Discord Nitro code in Discord application. So here first what you have to do is go to your Discord application. So here I'm going to use my browser to log in to your Discord, and what you have to do is click on right hand side and then click on desktop site. So it will open Discord as desktop. Then what you have to do is zoom in a bit and here click on settings, and then on the left hand side you can see the option for gift and inventory. So what you have to do is just click over here, and here you can see the space where you can redeem your Nitro code. So that's it. That is how you'll be able to redeem Nitro gift code in Discord. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.